All right, I gotta be honest, Anna, I don't know a lot about track loaders, but I've got to imagine that comfort and easy maintenance have to be towards the top of the priority list.
Yeah, in this industry, some of the biggest productivity challenges you're gonna face are maintenance downtime and operator comfort. But luckily for us, the SVL75-3 has a ton of features that's gonna help with both those things.
And those features are probably what helped make it the #1 selling compact track loader in the US. Hey everybody, I'm Matt West, and this is Anna from Kubota, who's gonna help walk us through some of these incredible features, the maintenance innovations and some of the comfort features that help make this thing so incredible. Let's start with comfort. What is it about this machine that makes it so comfortable?
Great place to start, Matt. So that one-piece cab, the touchscreen, the cooling system, and airflow are some of the things that make this cab and this machine really comfortable for that operator day in and day out.
Okay, let's get into it. Let's take a look.
Matt, why don't you hop on in there and we can actually show you some of those features.
Oh, man, I feel like this thing is built for about anything.
Yeah, so this is a sealed one-piece pressurized cab, meaning it's gonna keep all the dirt, dust, and debris out while you're operating and reduces the noise levels for operator comfort as well.
Okay, I'm looking at this LCD screen. That's a little fancy.
Yeah, so this is our 7-inch color LCD touchscreen monitor with jog dial controls. So you get fingertip access to all of your machine statuses, operating features, as well as you can adjust your track sensitivity. So anywhere from mild, normal, to a higher sensitivity level.
So you're telling me this thing has everything except keyless start and maybe a backup camera?
That's where you're wrong though. It does have keyless start. So gone are the days of losing your keys and not being able to start your equipment. Just a 4-digit passcode and you're good to go.
Really?
Yup.
Okay, so I'm sitting here. This is pretty comfortable, but if I'm gonna spend 8 to 10 hours a day inside this thing on a job site, what are some of the comfort features that help make that okay?
Yeah, two of the biggest things is we have a wide entrance for easy entry and exit of the machine day in and day out, as well as this overhead door. So you can open this door regardless of the position of your bucket, and you can even operate with the door open in given circumstances.
Okay, so I can do that year round? I mean, I saw the vents, so.
Yeah, so our cooling system has great airflow for cooling and heating within this cab.
If I'm gonna be in this thing all day, you know what it needs? I need some sort of music or something.
Yeah, so within this screen, there's actually integrated Bluetooth, so you can listen to your own music as well as take calls from the cab of this machine.
Okay, I feel like there has been a lot of emphasis put on visibility.
Yeah, so big thing is, so there's a high visibility panel above you, so you have great access and you can see really well if you're trying to dump into a trailer or a dump truck, as well as you've got LED lights in the front and the back for better job site visibility.
Okay, so we're talking total cost of ownership. This is more than just the purchase price.
Yeah, this sealed and pressurized cab is going to keep that operator comfortable, and a comfortable operator means good productivity, as well as this screen is going to save you on training time and operator errors. Additionally, you also are going to have a ton of easy access to all your maintenance service points.
Speaking of maintenance, let's talk maintenance.
Yeah, let's do it. Why don't you climb out of this machine and we can go over some of those access points.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so what are we doing here?
So this is our tilt-up cab design.
Huh?
You gotta take your earplugs out, Matt.
Oh, okay. So what are we doing here?
So this is our tilt-up cab design. So you have to take those 2 bolts out, and then it's super easy. You just lift the cab up and then wait to hear that click. Did you hear it?
There it is.
So that's the stopper. So once you hear that click, you just come back around and you put the lock into place and you're good to go. You get full access to your entire hydraulic system. So all your valves, your pumps, your lines, and even the hydraulic tank, all down there.
Okay, so there's other access points as well?
Yeah, so all of the other access points are actually in the back. So why don't we put this cab down, spin the machine around, and we can show you things in the back, like the wide center cover that comes off that gives you full access to that engine compartment.
Okay, let's do it.
Perfect.
All right, now that we've got this thing spun around, let's talk day-to-day maintenance.
Yeah, so we make it really easy, and one of the biggest ways we do that is your fuel tank is actually enclosed in this back door. So when you have to fuel up in the morning, all you gotta do is lift this flap, no keys required, fuel up, and you're ready to go. But what's even better is all your other maintenance points are easily accessible right through this back door. So you open it up, put the pin into position, and you're good to go.
Safety first, obviously.
Safety first.
Okay, so looking at all this, it looks pretty clean. How do we keep it clean?
Yeah, so we actually have a pre-cleaner system that's gonna keep all that dirt and debris out of your engine, as well as an optional reversing fan that's periodically gonna change its airflow direction to help blow everything out.
Okay, what about greasing and lubrication points?
Yeah, so we made those really easy to get to too. They're all strategically placed, so you have easy access, and when you're bound to forget what you need to do every morning, we have a daily maintenance chart right there on the door for you.
Good call. You got your own personal cheat sheet right there.
Your own personal cheat sheet.
I like it. It feels like Kubota's really thought about everything.
Yeah, we did think about everything because we know every little detail counts. You don't want to spend your entire morning working on maintenance for that machine. You want to get it done quickly and get to work.
And spend a lot of time thinking about the person that's going to be in that seat for 8 to 10 hours on a job site.
Exactly. We want that operator to have the best experience.
Well, this has been an incredible experience. Thanks for showing us how simple this really can be. But if you have any questions at all, make sure you consult your local Kubota dealer.